Good evening. It's 6 p.m. and I am Panmi bringing you bright side news of the day. Odisha's novel coronavirus tally crossed 10,000 mark with 571 more people testing positive and 4 deaths. Union Minister and Balasore MP Pratap Sarangi has quarantined himself at his New Delhi residence after a BJP MLA from Odisha he shared the Ds with at 2 events last week tested positive for COVID-19. Sarangi said that he had shared the Ds with Sukanta Kumar Nayak, the MLA from Nilagiri constituency in Balasore district at 2 events on July 2 and 3. Couple of days after the death of 4 Maoists in an encounter with security forces at Sirla forest of Odisha's Kandamahal district, another Maoist was killed during an exchange of fire with security forces at the same forest yesterday evening. Due to retaliation by police, the Maoist fled the spot. During the post-operation search, the body of a Maoist along with a kit bag was found. 2 country-made weapons have also been seized from the place. Situated on the banks of Mahanadi River and adjoining the Satkosia George Mudali Gadia, a tiny hamlet in the Nayagara district with barely 35 households, holds a unique distinction. In 2019, it became the first village in Odisha to attain self-sustainability with zero waste and 100% eco-friendly initiatives of livelihood. Online examinations for 6th semester diploma students will be held in Odisha between 1st and 20th August 2020. The State Council for Technical Educational and Vocational Training on Monday informed through a notification. A doctor at a Goa hospital for COVID-19 treatment has been giving a warm send-off to recovered patients by hugging them to send across a message to the society to accept these people. He almost hugged 190 patients at the time of their discharge in the last 3 months. BCCI has confirmed the board will take all possible measures to ensure that the 13th edition of the Indian Premier League is held on Indian soil before the option of staging the tournament abroad is considered. The IPL was scheduled to start on April 29th before it was postponed indefinitely due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Actress Sushmita Sen recently watched the trailer of Sushant Singh Rajput's final film Dil Bechara and wrote a heartfelt note praising his work and said that she loved the trailer. She added, "I wish I knew him, had the opportunity to work with him, but mostly that we would have had the time to share the mysteries of the universe from one shush to another." The United States said Monday it would not allow foreign students to remain in the country if all of their classes are moved online in the fall because of the coronavirus crisis. If not, they may face immigration consequences. During an interview on Monday with Fox News, Laura Ingraham said that he and President Donald Trump are taking the report seriously after he was told by the host that India had already banned the app and Australia is considering doing so. India banned 59 apps with Chinese links, including TikTok and UC browser, on June 29, saying that they were prejudicial to integrity and security of the country. Thank you for watching and please visit our website www.karuakispeaks.com for more updates and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.